Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney, and in today's video, we'll quickly learn how you can check your holdings, P&L, ledger and other important reports in RMoney Tradion app within just few taps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in into the app. Once you are on the home screen, tap on investment section. Here you will see a report option. So tap on it and after that, you will be redirected to a new page. Now here you will find a hamburger menu on the top left corner of your screen. Now from the menu, you have to select the report option and now tap on more reports. Once you do this, a list of different reports would appear on your screen. See, here you can check the reports such as portfolio, holdings, ledger and other detailed reports. Let's say if you want to check the ledger report, now simply tap on ledger. Now here you can select the date range for which you want to see the ledger. If needed, you can also choose the segment and exchange type. Once you have the selected filter, tap on the filters and your ledger report would be generated instantly. You can also download that report in Excel or PDF format depending upon your preference, and that's how you can easily check holdings, ledger and other different reports using RMoney Tradion app. Alright, that's it for today. In case if you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. Until then, happy trading.